Hello, my beautiful friends. It is so good to be with you again. My name is Maria, for those of you who don't know me yet, and I have new people subscribing to my channel every day. Feel very blessed for bringing some value to you, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a little bit more about what this transformational detox of physical space mini course is that I will be doing for you. So my friends asked me some questions of how long and what it's going to be about, what it's needed. So it's technically depends on what your physical space is, but it won't be only about cleaning. That's the main thing about it. It's not just cleaning, decluttering. It's not just getting rid of things we don't need. We will be also working with our mind, and we will be setting our mind for new beginnings. Because our physical space, what we have in our house, it's a reflection of our inner world. So when we start cleaning, when we start organizing, that's inevitably will happen, that we will reset our mind. But I will show you how I do that. And I do that for many years. I practically started maybe 5-6 years ago, and my first cleanup was so powerful because I haven't done it for quite a while. And when you live for a long time in the same place, you tend to accumulate these things, and it didn't feel good because things started kind of bothering me. So I decided to start cleaning, and ooh, that felt so good to take all this stuff out. And I don't know, clothes that I had but haven't worn for a while. Same with shoes. We're gonna go through closet, we're gonna go through bathroom, our bedroom, our kitchen, our pantry, our office space, and of course other areas in the house, and our personal items like our phone, our computer. We'll even clean like our social media accounts, because all these items around us, they store our energy, and when they tend to pile up, that's when they start draining our energy. And it is so important to clean it up, because when we do that, we open up space for new good things. And I will show you how I do that. We will set an intention for new beginnings, for new goals. And when we start cleaning up, we will inevitably start changing our minds. We will start changing some settings in our mind, and that will open us up for new. So changes are coming. And for some people, changes are uncomfortable and scary. And let me assure you that here, because we will set a good intention, here the changes will be very surprisingly good. And it will be depending on how proper, how honestly you do all the tasks. But if you do it proper, and remember, you do it for you, you will see the changes that will surprise you. And some of us will see changes right as we are going to be doing it. And for some of us, the changes will start shortly after. But I guarantee you that the changes will be something that you will like a lot. And it will be a reset of our mindset. And it will be refreshing for our energy, because all these things that we have in the house, they store our energy. And ooh, when we take them out, it feels so good. And it's for me, since I do it every year, I almost like anticipate doing it, because I know how good it will feel. And it feels good every time. And some surprises start happening, some good things, because when we open space for new and we set an intention for good things, we are attracting, we start manifesting these things in our reality, which is so powerful. And it is going to be interesting, it's going to be a little bit fun, but it will be very, very transformational for you. It will be very powerful. So we will consciously transform our mind through our physical reality. And as a bonus, you will have this house, your apartment, your house, your space where you live as clean, refreshed, and well organized, and it will make you feel good to be there, because that's the bonus of this program. Also wanted to mention that this program is for everyone, not only for women. If you're a man, you're very welcome, and if you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a mom, if you're working, it doesn't matter. It just depends on your intention, your desire to invest a little bit of time and effort, and everyone is welcome. And I like to do it at the end of the year, because I like to think that with the year that's going away, we want to let everything go that we don't need. And when the new year starts, we are opening doors for new things. So, but it doesn't really matter when, because you can do it at any time. It just depends on your intention and how honest, how proper you will be doing those tasks. And the only thing is that till the end of the year, if you join, there is a discount code that is available for you for additional motivation. But remember that the thing is for you, so it doesn't really matter. And the price that I set up is practically very nominal. It's not a high price, but I just wanted you to know that when you invest a little bit something, you actually will do it a lot more properly, and you will get a lot better result. So check it out. It's on my website, and my website is glowingbodyandmind.com. And go in the courses and click on that. Check out the discount code. I am going to leave it in the description of this video for you, and it's gonna work till the end of the year. But you can join and start. And for the timing, how long it will take, it depends really on how your house is and how often you do the cleaning, how much you have in your house. But when I was doing it first time, I actually spent probably 2-3 hours every day for about 2-3 weeks. Right now it takes me maybe an hour a day. So it's up to you how you have your space. But the course is going to be available for you indefinitely. So just so you know that you will have enough time to complete everything and get your good result. So excuse me. So yes, check it out. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And when you leave your comments, it actually let me get to know you better, to see who you are. And I would love to see your feedback. If you have any questions, if you have anything to say, if you have anything to add, maybe you do the cleanup too and you already know how good it works. So maybe you have some suggestions that you would like to add. So yes, leave some comments and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video if it was valuable to you, and I will see you very soon.